I just briefly wanted to come here and show you that there are hazards to leaving your fabric in the sun. So this particular piece is a black fabric with the exception of all the fuzzies because I put it in the wash with a bunch of other stuff and dried it with a bunch of other stuff. However, this has been sitting in my window as one of my blackout curtains, and that's the side that faced the window. As you can see, it has been very, very much sun bleached. This has happened over the course of, I would say, at least a year, possibly 2. And I just wanted to show you the stark difference between the window bleaching and what the opposite side of a window bleached piece of fabric would look like. I have another piece that is just as bad, if not worse, so just stay tuned. So this is the other piece. It is a slightly stretchier fabric, and this was black at one point. But yeah, you can see the sheer difference between the folds in the fabric and which side was closest to the window from dark to light. So, just as a reminder, don't leave your fabric in direct sunlight. Keep it in a closet. That is probably the safest place for it.